In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your shared mailbox to the HubSpot inbox. We'll walk through this process step by step, so whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, you'll be all set in just a few minutes. First, we'll need to head over to the HubSpot website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the website address. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen and locate the login button. Click on it, and this will bring you to the sign-in page. For a quick and seamless login, go ahead and select Sign in with Google. Choose the Google account associated with your HubSpot account to proceed. With access to your account now, direct your focus to the top right corner once again and click on the settings icon. This is where you can customize your user preferences and adjust your profile settings. From here, you'll want to find the Inbox and Help Desk drop-down menu. Give that a click, and in the following menu, look for the option labeled Inboxes. Selecting this will lead you to the configuration area where we can start setting up your shared mailbox. Within the inbox settings, notice the Actions drop-down menu. Click on that and opt for Create New Inbox. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter the inbox name. Make sure to choose something intuitive that clearly represents the purpose or the team using this shared inbox. Next, you'll want to specify who can access and manage this inbox. In this setup window, there's an option marked Select Users and Teams Who Can Edit. Click on it and carefully go through your user list to select the individuals or teams you want to share this inbox with. Once everyone is selected, click on Next to move forward in the setup process. Now it's time to decide which communication channel you want to connect to this inbox. You'll see a prompt asking, which channel would you like to connect? Choose the channel that best suits your team's needs. If for any reason you're not ready to make this decision, don't worry. You have the option to connect a channel later by leaving it unassigned for the time being. And there you have it, a fully functional shared mailbox within HubSpot in just a few easy steps. Remember, setting up an organized inbox not only fosters better communication within your team, but also enhances your ability to deliver prompt responses to clients and stakeholders. If you have any further questions, HubSpot's help desk is a great resource. Thanks for joining, and happy chatting with your new inbox setup.